Hello everybody once more. Today I got one packet delivered by Amazon India here at Guwahati. So this packet contains one tubeless tire puncture repairing kit. It's from Grand Pitstop with this mushroom kind of plugs. So I am going to unbox it now. Please see. Let me. Oh, this is already, I had just cut it. This is the tax invoice from Amazon India. I think this is not clear. Total amount is 1,399 only, including shipping charges. So let me check it out. This is amazon.in. This is the packet they had delivered. This is mini plug puncture repairing kit. It is saying Grand Pitstop mini plug puncture repairing kit. Never fear the flat. Can be used for any tubeless tire, motorcycles, cars, scooters, ATVs, golf carts, etc. This comes with 1 year warranty. So let me open it, and this is the back side. So the basic instructions are there. You know this, how to repair your puncture tire. Oh, this comes with a pouch, quite handy. Quite handy to put in your schedule bag, or you can also keep it in your car. Suppose if you travel by car. But I am basically buying this for my motorcycle, my bike, Yamaha YZF R3 2018 model. This is from Grand Pitstop. Let me open it. So this had come out first. This is synthetic rubber solution. This is one this thing. This is kind of semi-automatic system. There is also this instruction manual. This is instructions manual for using, how to use this tire puncture repairing kit. Item weight is, it's mentioned here, 399 grams. And this packet size is approximately, say, 9 inches by 5 inches, and thickness is about 1 inches. These are the mushroom kind of plugs. Yes, it has come out. This is the mushroom kind of plug. So let me take a paper in the background so that you can see it. This is the kind of mushroom kind of plug. See, you just put it, and it is, as far as I know, this is better than the conventional plug things. I think they had delivered three mushroom plugs. This is one, this thing. 2. What comes? And this is just normal thing. Let me cut it. This is normal. Okay. So basically we have got this, then we have got these 3 mushroom plugs. Then this is one nozzle again. And what comes? Oh, and another packet is there. So this is total. I have got 6 mushroom plugs, and this is one simple cutter. After putting it into your tire, so if anything is protruded yet, so you can cut it. No, this is blank. So this is the pouch. This is the instruction manual. So this is the basic thing. So how to let me, this is just, please bear with me, this is first time, I am also seeing it for the first time only, like this is the nozzle. Let me clean it a little bit. Let me do it first. I think you have to put the plug here. I have to try it. Okay, actually how it is going to work, so I am going to do it in my next video, because it might take some time, because I am opening it for the first time only. Otherwise the build quality and this is quite nice. So why I had bought this, because this is kind of semi-automatic and this is much better than the conventional plugs for your tire repairs. You have to screw it here, then you have to just press, it into your puncture. That's it. So till my suppose if you like my video, then please subscribe. Till the next video, bye bye, see you.